Hi Paulus, Edward Hong here from FFCA in Republic Korea. Today, I want to share with you a simple idea to replace the cowl that was damaged on the last flight and prevent it from happening again. All prices of these airplanes released by Skywing have the same cowl breakaway problem. It doesn't matter to those who do hand launching but like me. The runway pilots who launched are probably having the same concerns as the root cause of the Razor 260 caused a design error. I don't understand why the designers chose to assemble the cowl this way. Anyway, now the pilots have to overcome this problem. Here's the cowl part from the Razor 260 I purchased for replacement. I will reveal the solution right away. The materials to prepare are a cowl, a motor life, and screwdriver, and finally a bolt with a flat head. First of all, as you can see on the lower part of the cowl, make a proper inspection hole. Next, attach the cowl and screw the bolts through the wood of the cowl and fuselage with a screwdriver like this. And it's done. Now, the cowl will not be separated from the fuselage no matter what kind of vibration of shock. Thank you for watching my video today. Have a nice flight. Nice flight down. See you in the next video. Bye.